Why does zip change my lists? I noticed to me, it's very strange behavior. I don't understand. I got a list and a numpy array both with binary values and I want to check the true positives, both equals 1 at the same time. Now the craziness begins. A and B are not longer a list or a numpy array but an integer and numpy float? How on earth did that happen? Thanks for your help.
Zip did not change your list. You lost the initial references to your lists when you assigned the name A and B to the loop variables in. A simple fix is to change those names to, say, I and J. One thing to bear in mind when using Python is that names are bound to objects, and the for can be unbound or even rebound. No name is for keeps. Once you change the object a name is referencing like you did, the name starts to reference the new object. On another note, for loops assign the objects from the iterable to the names provided, similar to a regular assignment, but with repetitions. So the values you get for A and B at the end of the for loop are those of the last assignment done in the last iteration. Do bear these in mind.
Suppose A is a list, and you write A equals A, 0. Now you'd expect A to be not a list, but the first value in the list. Similarly, when you write for A, B in zip, A, B, you reassign A and B to hold the first element in each iterable. Try.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.